Snow drifting around over high routes with those strong winds. The rule of thumb is this snowy weather and the risk of snow extends southwards in the week ahead. Still working on those details, but suffice to say next week looks very cold, Sophie.
Chris, thank you. And that's it from us. I'll be back with all the latest news at 10, but now on BBC One it's time to join our colleagues across the nations and regions for the news where you are. Goodbye.
Hello, good evening. I'm Roger Johnson. Welcome to a special edition of Northwest Tonight. This evening we are live in Manchester as the final report is published from the public inquiry into the terror attack which happened at this city's arena. It was published today.
From top to bottom, MI5 to the associates of the attacker, we will always believe that you all played a part in the murder of our children.
The fury of the families as it's revealed that the murderer might have been stopped, but MI5 missed a significant opportunity.
The reasons for this missed opportunity included a failure by the security service, in my view, to act swiftly enough.
And we'll hear from the mosque just a few miles from here, which the report said tried to distance itself from the bomber. Night has just fallen across Manchester, darkness shrouding this city, almost 6 years on from its darkest night. 22 people murdered, hundreds more maimed by a man who grew up just 4 miles in that direction, in this city, the city that he called home. Today, the final report of the public inquiry into what happened here on the night of the 22nd of May 2017 was published, and it concluded that he might have been stopped. But MI5 missed a significant opportunity and the security services were too slow. 3 reports have been written after the 18-month public inquiry, which took 194 days of evidence from 267 witnesses. In total, those 3 volumes add up to more than 1,200 pages. Volume 1 looked at those in charge on the night, their failings, the lax security and their failure to react when a threat was identified. Volume 2, so thick it requires 2 binders, was scathing in its criticism of the emergency services response. And then today, the 3rd and final volume, more failings. As Sir John Saunders said, the terrorist could have been stopped. Phil McCann reports.